Hello students, here is assignment 3. The topic covered in this assignment is classical evolutionism. There are 3 sections in this assignment. The section A is of objective type of questions. In section B there will be short answer type of questions, and in section C there will be long answer type of questions. First section is section A, and there are 30 objective type of questions. First question, evolution is A. Gradual change in any form. B. Change from simple to complex. C. Change from homogeneity to heterogeneity. And D is all the above. So you have to choose any one correct answer out of these. All the questions have 4 options and you have to choose any one correct option. For example, the book Primitive Culture was written by E.B. Tyler, L.H. Morgan, Manet and MacLean. The correct answer is E.B. Tyler. So in this way you have to choose any one correct option. Who among these is known as founder of comparative ethnology? MacLean, Fraser, Tyler and Manet. इसी तरह the book Ancient Law was written by L.H. Morgan, E.B. Tyler, MacLean and Manet. Choose incorrect one. The book Ancient Society was written by L.H. Morgan. Second option is Fraser called magic as past sister of science or pseudoscience. C option is the book Golden Bough was written by MacLean, and D the book Anahuac Mexico Mexican Ancient Modern was written by E.B. Tyler. तो आपको इसमें से एक इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करना है. इसी तरह ये सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ये मैच द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन है 17. यहाँ पर प्रिमिटिव कल्चर, एंशिएंट सोसाइटी, लीग ऑफ इराकीज और गोल्डन बो, दीज आर द नेम ऑफ बुक्स एंड ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन. तो ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन के हिसाब से आपको इन सारी बुक्स को मैच कराना है. इसी तरह ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 है. अरेंज दिस बुक्स इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर बेस्ड ऑन ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन. चूज राइट कॉम्बिनेशन बिलो. इनको आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. तो प्रिमिटिव कल्चर, एंशिएंट लॉ, लीग ऑफ इराकीज और गोल्डन बो को अरेंज करके आपको इस तरह जो ऑप्शन 4 दिए हैं ABCD, CBAD, DCAB और BCAD में से किसी एक करेक्ट आंसर को चूज करना है. 15 evolutionary stages of family was given by E.B. Tyler, L.H. Morgan, Fraser and MacLean. Question 24. Evolutionary stages of magic, religion, science was given by Fraser, MacLean, E.B. Tyler and H. Morgan. So you have to choose any one. Then the book Primitive Marriage was written by E.B. Tyler, L.H. Morgan, Fraser and MacLean. इसी तरह ये 30 क्वेश्चंस ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं. इन 4 ऑप्शंस में आपको किसी एक को चूज करना है. Then section B, short answer type of questions. Write short notes on following. First is unilinear evolution. Second, multilinear evolution. Third is general and specific evolution. Fourth, Tyler's idea of unilinear evolution. Theory of animism. Tyler's evolutionary idea of religion. Forms of primitive religion. Tyler's definition of culture and religion. Morgan's idea of unilinear evolution. Morgan's evolutionary stages of family. Morgan's kinship terminology. Bride capture and exogamy. Totemism and exogamy. Fraser's idea of evolution of magic, science and religion. Psychic unity of mankind. Cultural parallelism. Cultural survivals. Primitive law. Totemism. COVID and technonymy behavior. Comparative method. Historical method. Difference between classificatory and descriptive kinship terminology. Difference between homeopathic and contagious magic. Difference between animism and animatism. Difference between fetishism and manism. Animism and naturism. Difference between animism and totemism. So these are some short answer type of questions. Section C, long answer type of questions. For example, first question is write a descriptive note on unilinear evolution with contribution of different classical anthropologists. Next question, science is evolved from magic through religion. Explain. Exogamy is result of totemism. Explain in detail. Savagery was the earliest stage of culture from which evolved civilization through barbarism. Describe with help of Tyler's or Morgan's idea of evolution. Give a descriptive note or various forms of primitive religion. Give an account of merits contribution in classical evolutionism. तो इस तरह तीन तरह के क्वेश्चंस हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, शॉर्ट आंसर एंड लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। तो इसको आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और क्लासिकल इवोल्यूशनिज्म में जितना भी कुछ दिया है उसी पर ये सारा बेस्ड है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। Thank you again. Meet you in the next video.